In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Start by opening voice recorder app that's already on your Samsung device. If you never used it before, you need to read all of those and hit next at the bottom right corners. And then tap on start when you're ready. Hit while using the app, allow, and to start recording use this red button at the bottom. Then hit allow again and finally recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on this one at the top on the right. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it on the track and tap on play button on the left. And to end it and save it, square one on the right. Now name it and hit save here. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Now to play it, click on it, and to edit it, use all of those available options. You can skip silences, tap on repeat option, and even speed it up. To access more options, click on those icons at the top right corner. This one, if you want to transcribe, summarize, or translate your recording. And those three dots if you want to rename it, move it to secure folder, or see details of it. But those tiny icons are also important because thanks to this scissor one, you can actually edit your track. For example, I want to trim this little fragment. So I have to click on scissors icon at the bottom right corner and decide if you wish to delete this area or delete the rest. When you're ready, hit save at the top right corner and decide if you wish to save your file as new one or replace the original one. Now to delete any recording you created, just hold it and tap on delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!